Hey, it's Photo Guy here with JW Truck Sales, the largest commercial truck retailer in the Southeast, with over 350 vehicles in stock. I got a 2009 Chevy Express G3500. It's a 6-liter V8 engine, automatic transmission, 125,000 miles. This work van is a workhorse. It's fully loaded. Power windows, power door locks, AM, FM, CD, MP3 player. Engine is pristine. It's got a lot of miles left to hit on it. Interior is equally clean. Upholstery's in great shape. There's a stereo. It's got a center console toolbox. Remember, we can always get you great financing here. Interest rates as low as 3.75%. Zero money down, 100% financing. Van's got a dual ladder rack and utility rack on top. And it also comes with this really cool feature. It's got this little handy key remote, and it pops both of the side panels for easy access to tools and equipment. The inside has already been outfitted with tool and utility racks. It's got a tool chest down there at the end, toolboxes on both sides. This is a great work van if you need an excellent work van. Tires are in great shape, brand new, full tread. This Chevy Express can be yours for $17,787. Remember, if you like what you see here, come visit us at 5000 Nelson Brogdon Boulevard in beautiful Sugar Hill, Georgia, or come visit us on our website to see our full inventory at jwtrucks.com.